Hello and welcome back to Outback Polaks. We've got the brand new iPhone 11 Pro here. Just got it literally today, so I've just unboxed it. This is gonna be amazing. I've got the 8S. I've been using it for 2 years. I didn't upgrade to the 10. I just didn't feel I needed to. It was to this day, this phone is fantastic. Same screen size, smaller phone, bigger battery. Technology's come a long way. Stabilization, I'm wondering if it's going to be as good as the GoPro Hero 6 and 7, and obviously taking the need away for the Ronin and the Crane Xeon 2 as well. Photos, are they going to be brilliant? I'll take this with me to the Brisbane River Fire Festival, where we're going to have fireworks, F-18 Hornets and the Globemaster slow-mo. Let's see how it all looks like. I'm wondering whether this phone will replace some of my lenses. So, I mean, that's the 300 and the 17 as a wide. So stay with us again, subscribe, like and share. Hope you enjoy this video.
enjoyed that video. So it's been over a week since I've used the iPhone 11 Pro, and I just love the camera. The camera is amazing. If you go to my Instagram page, which is the link below, you'll find a link to all the photos that I took. Amazing camera, brilliant. But there are a few problems with the phone. Junior, stop scratching. It's lying right next to me. There are a few problems with the phone. First of all, it freezes up. When you pull up the camera, all I'm getting sometimes is a black screen, which is really, really annoying. And in the olden days, you can just hit the home button and restart the whole thing. So now you can't hit the home button. You've got to lock it up, open it up, use FaceTime. Hopefully it will work again. I found that if you switch the screen from rear facing to front facing, it kind of fixes it up. So I think that's a software problem, which they will probably fix in the meantime. The other thing is it's slow. The phone cannot multitask. I've had several times where I've been on a call and trying to scroll through the web or Facebook, and I can see it rendering, or I can see it scrolling really, really slowly. So it is a slow phone. I don't know why. It's supposed to be fast. The other thing, file transfer. I use this stick, which is a Wi-Fi USB stick, to transfer files between the phone and here. Really slow. Don't know why as well. And the last thing is that the video resolution on the phone transferring onto the computer is probably not as good as what it would be if I was editing on the phone. So can I use this as a vlogging camera? Sure, as long as I edit it on the phone, which makes it faster instead of transferring the data backwards and forwards. But I don't think I'm going to get rid of my Canon and my Sony. So I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. We'll probably do another review of this phone once I've been using it for a few months and have a feel for it.